And we call it the top 20 targeted activities to get on an ASX board. Now, the first set of activities are entirely within your control, and that's preparing the basics, your CV, your LinkedIn profile. But there's no question whatsoever that that is the number one skill and competency which is being sought after right now. Surprisingly, all the headhunters are also saying that marketing, this culture has always been, the thing that beats everything.
This network is about mutual assistance, and you never know when you can offer Mark something that he's interested in. It might be a board role, it might be an introduction, it might be all sorts of things, just as he can do that for you, and I'm sure he's doing that for all his syndicate members. Once again, thank you very much, Mark, for a very interesting, enlivening and perceptive conversation today. Thank you.